In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Zendesk Slack integration and implement best practices for your team. We'll walk through the full setup process from Slack to Zendesk, and then make sure it's configured in a way that actually helps your team instead of creating unnecessary noise. The goal here is to connect both platforms so your team can stay informed, create tickets faster, and manage support conversations more efficiently. To get started, open your Slack workspace and head to the Slack app directory. In the search bar, look for Zendesk, then select it and click Add to Slack. This begins the connection from the Slack side and makes the Zendesk app available in your workspace. As you go through this part, make sure you're signed into the correct Slack workspace, especially if you use more than one. Next, you'll be prompted to log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're signed in, grant Slack the permissions it needs to connect with Zendesk. These permissions allow the two platforms to communicate properly so Slack can display updates and help your team interact with Zendesk without constantly switching tools. After that, open your Zendesk Admin Center. From there, navigate to Integrations, select Slack, and complete the connection process. This is the Zendesk side of the setup where you confirm that the integration is active and ready to use. If you're an admin, this step should be straightforward, but it's always a good idea to double check that the connection status looks correct before moving on. Once the integration is connected, choose the specific Slack channels where you want Zendesk ticket updates and notifications to appear. This is an important step because the right channel setup keeps communication organized. Try to send updates only to channels where the information will be useful so your team can stay focused. Next, turn on the setting that allows team members to create new Zendesk tickets directly from Slack messages using the Message Actions menu. This is one of the most useful parts of the integration because it lets your team quickly turn real conversations into actionable support tickets without copying and pasting details manually. Now apply a best practice by creating Zendesk triggers so only high priority or specific ticket types send notifications to Slack. This helps prevent channel clutter and makes sure alerts remain meaningful. A cleaner notification flow makes it much easier for your team to notice what actually matters. Finally, test everything by converting a message in Slack into a Zendesk ticket. Make sure the ticket is created correctly and that the integration behaves as expected. A quick test now can save troubleshooting time later. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Slack and Zendesk together to speed up your support workflow.